Hi everyone, we are in Richmond and as you can see we are inside a Tesla going to drive around Richmond Park and trying to show you how you drive in an electric vehicle in some of the small roads in London, but also in the park to see how the car reacts and how many people we can see, the parking places for electric vehicles, and other information interesting for people who are not used to drive in London in an electric vehicle like a Tesla. Our Tesla is a Tesla Model 3. We bought it in 2020. It's a 2020 model, long range. And this way we can make long trip and short trips. We never had any issue with it so far, so that's pretty good. And as well we did some pretty long trip to go to France, to go to Cornwall, or around London on the weekend. So this is the first gate to enter to Richmond Park. As you can see, still busy for people to do a bicycle rides in the weekend. Quite a lot of another Tesla coming in. Hello. And Richmond Park is quite large, very busy in the summer, a bit less in the winter, but a good way for people to come on the weekend and to relax a bit, to see some greens, be outside and do some exercise. What I would like to show you as well is how the type of information you get in the GPS from the car in the Tesla, where you can see that in the Model 3 you don't have any buttons and on the car. It's very simple design, so everything is on the main touchscreen, which is in the front and the middle of between the two seats. It bothered us a bit in the beginning because we were not used to it, but I think after that it was okay. We got really used to the commands, were quite simple, and also the speedometer you see is on the right corner from the screen. And you have to put your eyes on it, but it's not too bad. From what we do now, we get used to it very easily. Take a couple of days of driving. As you can see, during this trip, the road is quite busy in London, and the cars are also detected by the software from Tesla, and you see them on the screen as they come along. The parking is quite full. I will show you the parking lot. A lot of ICE vehicle, not many electric vehicle yet in London, but I think it's going to come because there is quite a lot of charging station all around London now in the streets. We have some lampposts where you can recharge your car at quite a slow speed, but it's good for overnight charging. We also have a lot of Source London charger, we are all over London now, who are a good way for us if you want to drive central London and park inside central London. You can use those parking space and you pay per minute, but you are charging at the same time, so very good. We can see some horse riding happening right now, so that's the beauty of this park here, which is in the southwest part of London, Richmond Park, but you can have very nice scenery, and I hope we can see some deer as well during that video. The purpose of the video is really to show you a bit of the Richmond Park, enjoy the view, but also to explain some of the functionality that we have in the Tesla and how we do it Is it another Tesla? Black one, this one, see? We get lucky, we got 2 Tesla things. And it's true, what we noticed this year is that quite a lot more Tesla appear since the first lockdown in March. And it's probably because Tesla was one of the only car manufacturers still delivering cars during the lockdown, and people being more conscious about the impact and try to go toward clean energy and electric vehicle in general. The speed now in the most of London streets are reduced to 20 miles an hour, so you can see we are just at the speed limit, which is quite slow but probably good for visiting the countryside here and enjoying the view on Richmond Park. So some parts of the park are closed for vehicle access, but you can walk almost anywhere, and bicycle all around the park as well. You can see that people are enjoying the day with their gear. It's quite cold today, it's 9 degrees, a bit foggy, but we're quite nice and warm in the car thanks to the good heating system, and also the car seat can be heated as well. So you can see the driver car seat currently is under some mild heat. You can see as well that the GPS is showing you the current speed limit, which is at 20, and detect a bicycle when they go around it or in front of us for security, which is very, very good for and prepare the car for full self-driving capacity. Will come more and more in a few years. So, good driving, nice view, big foggy. We don't have sun unfortunately today. We're at the end of November, so it's typical London weather for this time of the year.
Deer.
There's a deer. Okay, so we're going to see. Look, people are watching deers and taking pictures. Look at that, fantastic. Let you enjoy the view as well. What you can see, we prefer to see the GPS with this type of map. You can also have the satellite image of the map. A lot of people using the satellite image, but for city driving we think it's better for us at least to have this type of map to show you where you are and to show clearly what are the other streets around you. And as you can see on this screen, you can also see the traffic from traffic jam in red on the streets, which are pretty good, not always updated in real time because they take that from GPS from other cars, but I think it's a good indication when you plan your trip to see if there is any other road you should try to avoid when you go inside a city. And I can tell you in London it's pretty dense, the driving in normal time, so having GPS with real-time traffic information is pretty good. Okay, I think we'll try to finish this video as soon as we are going to exit the park. I hope you enjoy it. Quick video to show you Richmond Park. A great day for the weekend inside our Tesla. See you soon. Bye.